animals that look fake, but are 100% real. They look photoshopped, but nope, these animals are 100% real. Animal number 1, meet the leafy sea dragon, a seahorse's cousin that looks like a floating leaf, straight out of a fantasy movie. Animal number 2, this fuzzy bug called the panda ant isn't an ant at all. It's a wasp with a serious black and white makeover. Animal number 3, check out the saiga antelope. With its alien-like nose, it's built to survive extreme heat and cold. Animal number 4, say hello to the blue parrotfish. It's naturally bright blue and always looks like it's smiling at you. Animal number 5, and this is the red-lipped batfish. It literally walks on the ocean floor with lipstick. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below and follow for more wild animal facts.